This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of woodcraft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. Upcycled natural wood crafts represent one of the most accessible, creative, and environmentally friendly opportunities for makers who want to transform simple raw materials into meaningful, beautiful, and profitable products. What makes upcycled natural wood so appealing is its authenticity. Each piece tells a story of time, weather, texture, growth, and nature's unique patterns. When you take these pieces and transform them into decor or functional items, you bring out the personality of the wood while also reducing waste and embracing sustainability. In today's narration, we explore how simple builds created from branches, fallen limbs, reclaimed slabs, and weathered pieces can become fast-selling, income-generating crafts that appeal to modern buyers who value both simplicity and artistry. Upcycling offers a powerful balance between creativity and resourcefulness. It's not just about making something new, it's about giving forgotten pieces a second life. The beauty of crafting with natural wood elements is that nothing ever looks identical. Every knot, curve, crack, and grain pattern adds a unique signature to your work. Customers love this authenticity because it means their purchase is truly one of a kind. As a creator, this gives you the advantage of producing items that stand apart in the marketplace, even when the builds themselves are simple. Today's buyers want handmade products with character, warmth, and natural charm, which makes upcycled wood crafts an ideal niche for stable, long-term income. In this narration, we explore how the simplest pieces from natured branches, bark, driftwood, stumps, offcuts, and reclaimed planks can be transformed into designs that not only decorate homes beautifully but also sell consistently. Whether you're crafting decor, utility items, small furniture pieces, or artistic sculptures, upcycled natural wood provides endless possibilities. Our exploration today will help you see how these ideas can shape a profitable creative journey for you, your craft, and your business. Crafting with upcycled natural wood begins with understanding the soul of the material itself. Unlike processed lumber that looks uniform and predictable, natural and reclaimed wood carries history. You can see the story of the tree's growth in its rings, feel the weather in its texture, and sense the passage of time in every curve and contour. When you work with these materials, you're not just shaping wood, you're highlighting nature's artwork. This is why upcycled natural wood crafts sell so well. Buyers appreciate authenticity, and nature provides that authenticity in infinite variations. One of the fundamental advantages of using upcycled wood is the cost efficiency. Many of the best raw pieces can be found in forests, parks, gardens, beaches, construction sites, or even discarded piles behind carpentry shops. Fallen branches, storm-damaged limbs, cut-off slabs, leftover planks, or driftwood pieces can be gathered freely or purchased at extremely low cost. This dramatically increases your profit margin, especially when your finished product sells for a premium because of its handmade and eco-friendly appeal. The low material cost combined with the high perceived value creates a sustainable business model where creativity becomes the greatest investment. Upcycled natural wood lends itself beautifully to minimalist decor, which continues to dominate modern interior trends. Simple branch candle holders, driftwood centerpieces, raw edge wall shelves, rustic coasters, and natural wood plaques require minimal tools and time. Yet each piece becomes a unique decorative accent that complements modern, bohemian, rustic, farmhouse, and Scandinavian homes. Because buyers increasingly seek decor that feels organic and grounded, your upcycled creations instantly resonate with them. Branches are an especially versatile material. Their natural curves offer endless design options. A single branch can become a jewelry hanger, wall hook rack, key holder, coat hanger, lamp base, or even a decorative wall installation. When branches are sanded lightly, treated with natural oil, or left raw to emphasize texture, they carry both elegance and wildness. Customers love this combination because it adds personality to interiors without needing elaborate construction. These branch-based builds are easy to produce in batches, making them ideal for steady sales. Stumps and wooden rounds are equally valuable. A simple wooden round can transform into a small side table, plant stand, wall clock, serving tray, or rustic pedestal for decor items. Stumps, when leveled and sealed, become stools, nightstands, or garden seats. Customers are drawn to stump furniture because it captures the essence of nature while offering functional value. Small stump tables, in particular, are incredibly popular because they fit seamlessly into living rooms, bedrooms, patios, and even commercial spaces like cafes and studios. When you add metal legs, casters, or carved details, the piece becomes even more desirable. Driftwood has its own charm. Weathered by waves and polished by sand, driftwood pieces have smooth surfaces and intricate shapes that no machine can replicate. Driftwood is perfect for crafting sculptures, lamps, shelves, picture frames, mirrors, centerpieces, wall hangings, and even minimalist furniture. Many decorators and stylists prefer driftwood because it adds movement and natural flow to interior designs. Crafting with driftwood is less about altering the material and more about arranging and enhancing its existing shape. This makes driftwood crafts quick to produce and highly profitable. Reclaimed planks and boards offer a broader range of possibilities. Old barnwood, pallet boards, floorboards, and weathered beams can become headboards, wall art, coat racks, benches, signs, shelving units, and rustic frames. The aged surface texture, complete with nail holes, color variations, and worn edges, creates a visual richness that new lumber cannot replicate. When you preserve these markings, your piece becomes a story of time, adding sentimental value for the buyer. Many customers love items that look like they have lived a life, making reclaimed wood highly desirable in decor markets. Artistic builds using natural wood pieces are another profitable category. Sculptures created from branch fragments, abstract wall hangings, layered bark art, and driftwood mobiles are incredibly popular among customers who want artistic statement pieces without the high price tag of gallery art. Because each natural piece already has its own form, assembling them becomes an intuitive and creative process. You can create themed collections such as mountain silhouettes, ocean waves, forest scenes, or animal forms using only natural textures. These artistic builds often sell for premium prices due to their unique and handcrafted nature. Functional items made from upcycled wood also bring steady income. Simple trays, cutting boards, coasters, spoon rests, utensil holders, and small organizers are always in demand because they offer beauty and practicality. When you use naturally shaped pieces, like irregular wood slices or bark edge planks, these functional items gain a rustic charm that buyers appreciate. By applying food-safe oils or clean finishes, you make them durable and user-friendly. These products are perfect for markets, online shops, and gift seasons, especially because they can be sold in sets. Lighting pieces made from upcycled wood are among the most profitable because they combine artistry with function. Branch floor lamps, driftwood table lamps, bark lanterns, and hanging log lights add dramatic style to interior spaces. Lighting crafted from raw natural materials can command high prices because customers consider them statement pieces. Even simple tea light holders carved from logs or branches sell well, especially during holidays. Another profitable category is garden decor. Upcycled natural wood blends effortlessly into outdoor environments. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.